If your LDPlayer update keeps failing, like errors popping up, download stuck, or installation not completing, yeah, let's fix all of that step by step. First, make sure your internet is stable. Updates need a steady connection, or they'll fail midway. Quick fix, restart everything. This clears temporary update bugs. Next, run LDPlayer as admin. This avoids permission-related update errors. Your antivirus might block updates, turn it off during the update, then enable it again after. Make sure you have enough storage. Updates need extra space to install properly. Clear temporary files before updating. Old data can interfere with the update process. If auto update fails, do it manually. Install the newest version directly over your current one. On Windows, Hyper-V can cause update issues. Turn it off, then restart your system. If nothing works, do a clean reinstall. Remove everything and install fresh. So, check your connection, run as admin, clear space, and reinstall if needed. That's the complete fix for LDPlayer update errors in 2026.